But yeah, I've never played the Hillbilly, so I just said his name out loud. Who I am. What a twat. I don't use my move now because A, if I'm like someone hear me, it's obviously like, oh, there is killer, and B, yeah, I prefer Cenobite a lot. He's so fun to play. Oh, found killer people. Yes, first down. Oh, fuck. Sounds so fun. Oh, bitch! No. You motherfucker. You motherfucker. You motherfucker. No, not down there. I need to learn the chainsaw because I think, yeah, Dwight was the one who had the, what am I chasing for? I'll say. I think Dwight was the one who had the, torch, and be careful about him. She has a med kit, so obviously watch out. So, little advice here, never ever jump down when you're getting chased by a killer. You will not, you know, get a little stagger a bit. Bitch, I hear ya. I saw a cat when you will use points. I'll break this anyway, so I'm just mad. Okay. What are you planning, little one? Girl! I know if I drop those things down, I'd really like chase them or break them less on points. Or someone's hanging. Okay, Skyrim is definitely dead. So she keeps on oh, just getting my way, or doing a crouch dance. Like, don't teabag. I see it very trollish, honestly. I don't know, what seems very annoying to me when someone does that. It happened again. Like, what are you doing, love? Honestly. Oh, fuck you. No, you don't, motherfucker. Come here. You better run, bitch. That's for you, bitch. Oh, they're gonna flash me, aren't they? I knew it. I was like, they're gonna flash me, aren't they? I'm gonna get your ass now. Just psych. But I'm always one of those killers. Like, if I find someone once and then you get down hook and I see them again, I get them. Like, I have my priorities. Oh. Oh. Game. You know. Oh, for fuck's sake, no! No. Oh, wait, got ya. What, are you flashing me now, you motherfucker? Oh, God. Oh, balls. Damn it. I think the worst part again, also knows where there's like a wall there, you're walking somewhere and it's like, oh, the hook is here, but it's like, no. It's not. Oh, there she is. Come today. I'm ignoring you. Well, fuck you. Pick her up. Did I? Don't knock her out, no I didn't. You wanna hit me? You wanna flash me again, bitch? Let the friend die. I'm at 1 death, so that's good. Yeah, first match for Leatherface, not bad. Oh yeah, match for 5. They're good killers, as far as I mean. I'm always a person who's like, they're good survivors, 5 stars. Which, I will not lie, that sounds like a cool film in a way. Leatherface attacking someone who has a katana with chains will be sick. I mean, that'd be sick. What's the slightly generic there? That's not fair. Come on, man. Come on. Come on. Come on, thing. I want to tell you much too. I actually knocked out everyone. And they were crawling on the floor trying to get up. Like, it was so cool. like trying to fuck, I can't find a hook. Hook, move. It's over there. Move. I don't think I made it in time. This bitch keeps struggling. Come on. Oh, no! No, I was 1 second late. She's really slow or something, because damn. God damn it. And I'm pretty dumb because... Nah, I think she wants me to kill her. Come on. I know someone else is near because I saw blood trail before, but it could have been her. Okay. Oklahoma. Don't know what went to my brain, but yeah. Wait, what the fuck? What the hell was that about? It's gonna be a bit weird then, so. I haven't downloaded it, I think, so it shouldn't be weird. Come on, girl. I'm gonna walls annoy me. I don't have a friend, a grenadier. They're like, yeah, why am I helping them? Wolves. Okay, grenadier's down. Yeah, I only took like half the health. I saw you. Little shit. I swear I keep running as well to the generators. I swear to God. Yeah, these. Okay. Girl, I gotta ask, why do you think that would work? Thinking this way. I hate this way at 1 second, I'm like, do I go this way, that way, and it's like, bitch. I've just got it. This will bleed, no, that's the main thing. Someone's touched that. Someone's touched that. You gonna move or? Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. I just stood there like, oh, so what? Did I hear her as well? Excuse me? I might have killed one in one go, actually. Holy shit. I lost the girl, actually, other shit. I've lost the girl. If I'm lucky, I can just find fishy killer and just kill them. That's on my left actually for a sec. I'm gonna use a chainsaw and waste it. But I'll waste your... Can win the other way, you know, just saying. I will waste your life. I think she was in the innocent mode. Oh fuck, what am I doing? Ah, my eye's itching. Nearly got ya? Nearly, girl. She's dead. Oh. I've got to ask. Okay. Okay. I mean, I guess if you want to die, you can die, girl. Yeah, not even like 5 minutes we killed everyone. Armed it. Okay, water. Put it back. Wasn't a bad match from today, wasn't a bad match. But I would say last week kind of pissed me off a bit. No, I'm gonna get 4 stars, but sure. Just home, sweet home. I just love the intro thing. He's holding his chainsaw, but now he's holding his chainsaw and hammer. Just like slicing people's heads. Fucking dumbass. You're lucky I can't run because my chainsaw's on. You're realisation the opposite, but still you're lucky. Motherfucker. Oh, nearly got me. He nearly got me. I somehow hit him. I don't know how to hit. Shit, another bow was like, he's here. Yes, bird. Fuck. Oh, okay, we're playing this game, are we? Who? I was gone. Okay, he's still playing that game. Oh, is he? Bird! Thank you. Here we go to horny jail. Right, tell me what's Hook's game. I have no idea how. That's always good when you're really close to Hook too and someone, you know, someone down. Because you're far away and thingy, you're kind of fucked. That's for the any characters. I might try and get creative in a way, like find something that fits the scene. Like I won't use the witch girl to do well, Leatherface, you know. I might find someone who look more for the film, if that makes sense. You motherfuckers, you're gonna die now. Girl, you're a witch. We're about to spray this hammer across your face. If she's in the head, she still will play fine, you know. Whereas it takes chances that one guy gets bonked once, and he's like on the floor. Takes Chainsaw is just DVD, but the movie pretty much. Prove me wrong in a way. It technically is in a way. He hits people with his chainsaw / hammer, knocks them down, and hangs them with hooks. That is actually DVD. Although, I thought on mine, like when I was trying to sleep ages ago, I was like, what DVD the film be? But I'm like, it shouldn't be any film pretty much. And who'd win though? Like, will it be survivors winning or the killer winning, you know? Because I think a series would be cool though, whereas like every episode's on a different like person and that. Again, just making up shit here, but still. If she's not been saved yet, you're about to get bonked in the head. Fuck. There's no real things to do, but that's good. That's fine with me. That's fine. I've hit back yet? I don't think so, actually. I think I hit Chelsea and Azran, and that's it. No, yeah, Azran hit the bald guy. Was a bald guy, actually. Now look at the thing more. Fucking shit. You then. Who is this guy? Like, who is this guy, honestly? Oh, it's Azran. Oh, yeah. Weird. Never mind. How did I get health then? I don't have medkits. Maybe they found them somewhere in the chests. But Azran, I think, is half dead. Also, I think I changed the hook thing from before, because it was such a nightmare before. But like spam X, that's it, because it's such a weird thing to do. Cheers, bird. I know you're trying to help me, dude, but you're not. She's here! I know chased her, but she's here! Like, yes, no shit. Oh. Oh! Okay, back. I got Chelsea's. Again, Storm. Well, I've seen Stormer once this match, I don't think. Bitch. Yeah, I haven't seen Storm. Wait, what? That's where I got before. Did I not get her before? Well, I am blood rage, but I'm gonna wait for a bit. Now that. I missed. Well, fuck. I can knock her down, I think. If I can at least knock her down, that's fine. Now I can get him. Bitch, you thought I was distracted. Because I was. I know what we're going to do in a minute is try to run around and all that. Right, get close up and use chainsaw. Oh, bollocks, you piece of shit. I don't fucking... Oh, you dumbass. Is she still down? That's good. So you dumbass. Don't pull that. Dude. Dude. Fuck you. Someone's near. I see him. That's Leon. Ugh. You better fucking run. No, you ain't leaving. Motherfucker, you wanna leave? No, you wanna leave? You ain't leaving. You ain't. You wanna torch me? Get your ass on the hook. Motherfucker. I ain't having that shit. No, I ain't having that. I ain't having that, man. I don't know where you're going now, like which tricks are you going to? I'm gonna break this actually just in case. For any reason. I don't know if you're gonna save him or what, or... Yeah, up to you. No, just stop that! No, you twat! Wait! Put it down! You're actually a twat! You could have down... You could have killed her. Dragged I mean, but I was like, I need to do my check. No! Over face. Yeah, but down. Yeah, they will escape. That's a terrible match. It's a terrible match. They're good spiders though, I consider that, but spiders, terrible match. I'm pissed off at that. I am pissed off. This last match too, by the way. For killer, then we switch to survivor. That's a wall then. So where's the wall here? My flesh sensor's going off. Was that blood purple or was it just me? I swear I got that blood was purple. I thought just my glasses, that was purple blood. Fucking... Don't tell Baba I swore about fucking prick. Nobody so many talking films does, they just make noises, remember right? Like go, hey, stuff like that. You're a twat. You're a twat. I know I should be smack, but dude. Come on. Pass it up way, I'm fucking up again. Victorious. Okay, I get it. Ah, fuck, too long to wait. Boy, I ain't playing this game. Boy. I only broke it there because it's hard to, like, walk around and think, what do we chase you for? Honestly. Mincemeat. Yeah. Oh, it's Ellen. I thought I was chasing Vittorio. What? I'm confused. I'm so confused right now, guys, I ain't gonna lie to you. Also, I forgot what the flags on my hook are. It's pansexual and the gender fluid flag. So I'm a gender fluid pansexual, and you are good me. Actually, wait. Oh, what is that? Which is obviously loud, but still. I don't want to waste it on a small fry. He's about to die. What's wrong with you? What? What? There's a chill in front of me. You don't ever heal someone in front of a killer. Like, literally in front of him, on the ground. Use your thinking. Okay, I see you. Oh. I'm too slow. But I'll see what I... I've got a chance to sprint though. I heard noises over here. Oh. You! She can die soon because she's literally got 1 life left. You, mate, you. You got 0. 9. Yuck. We're allowed 1 Homer. Do I probably put it down on so you just make me walk the wrong way? Sorry, Vittorio, but your secret has been caught. I don't even know. Why are you taking Ripley and I make a think a better pun? What should be hard, B will be easy to make a pun of. Fuck. In a way, like, you know, like, help hit was. To bleed or not to be... Okay, fuck. My girlfriend was puns too, so she didn't kill me for that joke. Wait, okay, video is still hanging around. Like, had to open my mouth there. Had to open my mouth. Let's go here. Okay, Vittorio is healed and says Ellen, so it's gonna be a 2-2. Unless I get very lucky, which I won't. Fuck. I'm a fucking genius. Oh, you're dead. But who does first, though, guys? Will the secret be gone, or will Ellen rip her guts out? Will Ellen rip her apart? Oh, it's so hard to make pun on her name Ripley. I mean, it was not a bad pun, I guess. And that was a good hit, though. Okay, so Vittoria is dead, so first of all, got a cap there. Wait, what? Okay, see it's there, stop messing around, it's right there. And thank God Dom's got any flashlights. Unless Father does. Father! There we go, got one. Oh. She's burp. No one knows outside the husband says hearing footsteps. I'm thinking, oh shit, it's not in a house, but it's like, no. A, the door's locked. B, I'd hear the doors open. And C, my fucking door's open. You'll make me mad. You'll make me very sad. I'm gonna kill you. I feed you to my fucking Snapchat. Why are you opening? It's very important. If that sounds posting story, I'll be fucking angry. Fuck! No, you're gonna die for that, Ripley. I'm gonna rip your guts out. At least I'm gonna hit once, though. Nobody gets one. Okay, B, I know is over there, because I saw her. Is that her? Yeah, she is. There she is. Look at the YMS memes now, like, what the fuck? Not on purpose, just coming out, you know. I love YMS, he's a good YouTuber. But I got to believe I found War Machine. What's she got? Oh. What happened there? Ah, bullet, I'm too far. I think B might escape. One more. 2. Move. Oof. There's like 10 grunts-ish. They all like come. Oh. Okay. Yeah, wait, she's bleeding now, she's dead. I'm gonna pull off your face and make it into a face mask. Get it? Face mask joke? Because face. Where'd she go? Bitch! She's hiding. She was hiding, wasn't she? Fucking bitch. Come on, Ada Wong. I need nothing. Wong here. Fuck that shit joke. Oh god, she'll save a friend. Fuck. No, no, War Machine's dead. There's no way she survived that. I didn't see. Oh, I didn't see her. She should have ran away and escaped me. Well, guys, to be or not to be eaten. Well, that's killer's done. Yay. Oh, sorry. Sorry, babe. No, I was gonna write Tennessee, that's what she says. Did you lay 10? I see. Killer is done. And that's the barber's done. Wasn't bad though, wasn't a bad match. I give that a 4 stars. Like, well, not. This Ellen was pretty shit on the sea, and she was a bot. I think that's probably why.
I just can't take no pleasure in killing. There's just some things you gotta do.
I feel it's weird to be a survivor, honestly. It does feel weird to be a first person again. Right. I won't lie, I panicked for a second. I was like, what the fuck? That guy scared me for a second, I didn't realise here. I just wanted to run to him for, oh shit. I can't remember the kid has like a red light aura thing. Look at my skill check there though. What are you doing? What the fuck? Hello? What the fuck does Wesker do that? I love how she's ignoring me as well. I was like, okay, boys. So that is pretty cool. Anyway, bye. Well, I'm bleeding. Am I bleeding? What's in this box anyways? Wait, what the fuck? Excuse me? Hello? I'm hiding. You don't see me. You can't see me. Damn it, you found me. Yeah, it's the first time I've seen Wesker in the Game Boy, guys, so that's, which I'm technically a movie character. The 3rd movie I'm in. Maybe the 4th. I think he's in Afterlife, isn't he? I remember loving Afterlife as a kid. No reason, no joke, just because it looks cool. Because one scene when like Wesker throws his glasses at the screen. And that's it, that's the only reason, like, oh, that's such a good movie. Yeah, I need to pee. Girl, I need to pee, can you like, help me? So, if Wesker does what he does to you, you need to heal yourself. Guy, let me pee, please. Oh shit. I'm not here. I'm not here. Shh, don't tell him I'm here, guys. Fuck. Okay, who's got her? I'm fine. Shit, let me save this person then. I think they're dead. I think they're dead. Oh. No, wait, where are they? I think someone's dead, that's not gonna be me. Ah! Anyway, just come on, please, please. Is that a virus thing which should let you down? Okay, I'm gonna die, guys. I'm a final girl. I don't wanna die, I don't wanna die, I don't wanna die. Oh, she's actually quite far. I need to shut up. Stop making noises. They're mid. Oh fuck, I'm sorry, that was scary. Your film's not mid. They're not mid. They're not mid. They're 6 out of 10s. 6 out of 10s. Let's see if I can hide. I did for a second, he saw me move. He saw me move. I can tell you right now, he saw me move. Ah, I'm dead. We're dead. GG though, good killer. Very good killer. Match 1, which is a fail. We want to see this quite a bit because my charge is downstairs. That's why I died, guys. My charge is downstairs. Wesker, you okay, mate? I'm very dead. I went to Hippel. But yeah, that was a match. No, I only got 4 stars. Just didn't really like Wesker that much. I don't know. Anyway, win this map. I can quickly put a 2 on my thingy, so I know. Actually, I'm very full of that. I'll sorry, what's up, nearly. Come on, Meg. Come on, girl. Need to run in 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2. Okay, well, fuck you. Literally, we all get good until this bitch has to come. Let's split up. Don't follow me, bitch. I saw alien. Oh. Don't kill me, I'm beautiful. Wait, oh, we have 2 lives each. I get it now because strike 3, you're out, kind of thing. I'm saying here, I know aliens can come out there chasing someone, see my plum pass and go, I want to plow that. You know, I ain't getting plowed today. I don't need those anymore up my ass. Stop running to me! Fuck off! Wait, what? Fuck off! Fuck off! Okay. They ignored me. Bitch, if I see Generate moving, I'd run to it, like, kind of threat thing in a way. Ah, God, she's gonna like, come out and be like, who's been touching my generator? And I'm like, shit. And she's like, bitch, I'll kill you. I'm like, why? And she's like, because you touched my generator. Where? I gave her like 10 accents, but aliens just go, which makes no sense. Alright, honey. Move your ass. The bitch is coming. Bitch is coming. Bitch is coming. Oh, fudge. Oh, God. Oh, she found very good. I saved her ass. Just remember that, guys. I just saved her ass. And she's already down. Surely like a melody. Ah! Hee! Ah, fuck. Scooby-Doo it. That didn't work. It worked. I mean, we Scooby-Dooed it. We Scooby-Dooed that shit. Oh, God. Oh, God. Please go away. Go away. Okay. Wait, what? Wait, how did she get from there to here? That far? Oh, God, I'm scared. Okay, she found a victim. Stop doing a skill checks game. Fuck off. Probably the main move, though. But where's the exit, actually? That's the real question. I'm just looking at it. I'm just gonna quit. I'm just gonna quit, guys. I can't deal with this bitch. Oh yeah, we're fucked. Bye, guys. We'll get away. Then Chalo, skill journalist. Cheers. Yeah, we're appearing to with Jared. I fix 3 generators. Fuck off. Game. Try again, kind of thing. So now try again. So going, oh, you were right. Tennessee indeed a state. Might should be like, oh, you are a fucking idiot. You're a pussy. So crocodile, gear 5. Is that noise? Hey, it's not a huntress. What do you mean? But oh, it's a nurse. Skiddy bab bab bab. I got a whore. Bold of you to assume I'm not hiding. She's gonna jump in here, she's gonna get here. Oh. No one hides, of course. Ah. I should have kept my like self there, but I was so panicky. So what's she doing? The fuck was she doing there? I'm sorry, or what? It's actually achievement. I mean, not achievement. A mission to like scream some amount of times. I'm taking chances. Fuck it. Oh, I fucked it. No chance. Fucked it again. I'll show you stuff now. That's really weird. Like, oh, she's camping. Fuck you. Fuck you, so bitch. You camper. Then his points of camping, right? Just saying. You hussy. Your tits are saggy. I love you. Let me go, I'll give you a kiss. Do you want a kiss? Yes or no? Yes? Damn, alright, go on, girl. Give me a kiss of death. Fuck you. That's a short match, but to be fair, I was a dumbass. But also, to be fair, I could have literally... Half of people was like, if I stay, I would die, but half of me is like, if I got out, I would have died, so... It was a double entendre thing there. They will live or die. Well, okay, look at my list though. Oh, well, okay. If we know why Leatherface is called a cannibal, guys, it's because he eats people. That's literally the law reason, because his family's cannibal. Of course, Leatherface was based on Ed Gein. I was a bit for a second, I was a little confused. Leatherface was based off Ed Gein. Fearmonger? What the fuck is that? And because Ed Gein was a killer who killed people. And yeah, they changed all like what 4 or 5 films. I've seen the first 2. I think I've seen 3. I've seen 3 actually too. I think I've seen New Generations, but I can't remember. If it makes sense. Like I remember it, but I don't remember it as well. If that makes sense. I kind of think I did. 2006, I think it was. But yeah, that one was the first Texas Chainsaw. I love 2 though. 2 is still pretty good. Oh, it's a ghost man. It's a guy from the film. So Ryan Gosling and Scream. It worked. Ah! It didn't work. It didn't work. He's too smart. Oh, Ghostface, he's so fine. Ghostface, he's so fine. Hey, Ghosty. I wonder actually Ghostface is in this game though. Is it Bobby? Is it Thingy? Am I the Ghostface? Did I play Ghostface? I can't remember. I remember I stabbed someone and here I am. You know? No one in Scream who's worth it. Like, no one at all. Oh, fuck. Alright, good killer so far. Good killer. Distraction us. Take us apart. Shut up. Please. Okay, so to damage. Right, my brain was like, kick the thingy down, but I'm not a killer, so it just felt a bit weird to do. I'm trying to distract him to get me, by the way. This little thing below. That is your fault. Hey, so quickly. I can do it. Fuck! Oh, so close to doing it. Oh. Don't come here! Don't come! Don't come. Distract him from me, distract him. You're useless. Just run in a circle as well. I'm mad. Well, I mean, it's too fair. I've had some really good killers, Wesker and Ghostface, so I can't be mad. But also, I am mad. Damn. Hi, Ghostface, I love you. Bird film's shit. My last words, but I'm staying by it. Scream 3 was terrible. I love 2 the best, though. Scream 2 is great. 1 is very close, like by a slight margin second. And 3 like really weird, like cameo stuff, like Carrie Fisher was on it. Was it like 3 has what's her name? Courtney Love, I think name is. Has really ugly bangs. Literally, actually, yeah. Before I guess this is how we go to Halloween. I guess guys, Michael Myers. We go to. This is Elm Street, isn't it? You fucking lied to me. This is Elm Street, yeah. There's little schools and that. Oh shit! What the fuck was that? Ah! What, like, I was a pirate first, it's a pig, isn't it? That actually scared shit out of me. It actually scared me. I was like, is that Survivor ducking down so hard to me? But I realised that's not that fucking sound. Did he blend in quite a bit, like, if you're not really, like, paying attention, you know? Because then we see the red light. So I was like, oh, haha, funny person. No silly walk. Alright, me, Zan, Digesso, and Abadabs are doing generators. If we can get all three done now, we should be fine, but let's go save Christy. She's fine. Oh, fuck. No, she ain't. She ain't far away. I don't think. I don't know. I'm scared now, actually. Was it so weird back in the day to do, like, the breakouts? What's going on with Christina? I don't know jack about playing against Pig. I only played as Pig, so I don't gotta do the jigsaw thing. That's it. Is that jigsaw? Oh, it is. It's just a costume. That's not a door. That's a Jar Jar. Go take that person. I'm busy. I'm hiding. Hello? I ain't got the stuff in my head though. Oh, he's Amanda. That is sick. That is really sick art. I love that costume. I just appreciate that. Girl, I'm being nice to you. Give me a break, yeah? Give me a smooch. What the fuck? It doesn't even recognise her because she looks so human compared to the big mask. Oh, I think she's near me. I can't tell. Damn, she's pretty hot. I mean, what? I mean... No, you bitch! Oh damn. Cake. You bitch! Amanda, you bitch! This is why Jigsaw chose Taps, or Hobbs, or everything is. You're a bitch. You're a bitch still. Oink, 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 oink. Always works. Bitch. Okay, good killer so far. Although we're pretty tired in time, but still. We are tired, I guess. Half generator's done, I mean, or 3 done, I mean. Half killers are dead. A very nice game. Okay, good. Let me go. Let my people free. She's stunned. Help me! Why aren't you blind her when she was near me? Pussy. What's he hussy lot? Damn. No personality keeps saying hussy, it's distracting me. Hey, girl. Boy! I'm about to get stabbed in the titties. I'm not paying her a kitty. Help me now, I'll give you a nipple twisty. Dude, I'm about to die. I'm actually about to die. Just flash your titties. Ah, bruh. I'm fuming. In Mad Max Fury mode right now, so. Not Fury Road, Fury mode. Well, Halloween time, I've got to piss again. Again, I know, like. Christ. What am I bladder today, honestly?